Hi, my name is James Shepard, and today I want to tell you about a workshop that I'm hosting January 10th on cash discounting and surcharging. So obviously, these are really big topics, but they're getting really complex. There's a lot of different things going on. Is it going to be surcharging moving forward? Is it going to be cash discounting? What are the laws? How does it work? And even more importantly, how do you sell it? How do you generate leads? Can you use Facebook marketing for it? All these different things. And so I've put together a workshop. And so myself and Patty Murphy, who's my co-host on the podcast, she's going to be doing a section about the regulatory reality and different things like that. And then I've got 3 segments I'm going to be doing: introducing cash discounting and surcharging. Then I'm going to be talking about sales and talking about what pitches you can use, overcoming objections, just really a deep dive into it. And then we're also going to be doing a 4th one on marketing and talking about how to market this stuff, doing different Facebook marketing and all that. Then I even added a 5th, a bonus session, where I'm going to be taking you step by step through how you can hire a freelancer on Upwork to give you telemarketed cash discounting or surcharging leads. So when you think about, how much could your residual really increase in 2019? Because that's why we're all in this game in the first place. If you can get some cash discount deals, you could see a $3,000, $4,000, $5,000, $6,000 a month increase in your residuals. So wouldn't it make sense to jump on a workshop and spend half a day with me? It's going to be 5 hours of workshop training. We have a workbook that's going to go right along with the workshop. Then after the training workshop is over, you're going to get all the videos. We're going to have all the recordings available at our website for training.ccsalespro.com. You're going to have access to all the videos, lifetime access. So click the link below this video, or you can go to ccsalespro.com/cash, ccsalespro.com/cash, and that'll take you to the webinar sign-up page where you can go ahead and get registered for the webinar, and then we'll send you more information. But again, it's going to be January 10th. Now, the other reason I'm making this video is because I made some special offers. I don't know, maybe a couple weeks ago. It was on Thanksgiving, Black Friday, Cyber Monday, all that. Had some special offers, and I didn't post the video here, and so I wanted to make some of those offers available to you still. If you haven't signed up, I decided to extend it because I wasn't able to put it on all the different channels and everything, and so I wanted to extend that to you. So I'm going to make it available for a limited time. We do have limited seating on the workshop because we want to have some interaction and some engagement, but I do have quite a few seats left. Probably got about 120 seats left that we can fill. So check it out right now. Go to ccsalespro.com/cash, and you'll see all about the cash discounting and surcharging workshop.